I can't wait to share all of the wonderful lectures that we have in store. So, in terms of the way that this course is structured, it contains 4 self-paced modules, and we've designed it so that you don't need to have any prior work experience. Whether you're a college graduate, high school graduate, or whether you're coming from a totally different field, totally okay. We've designed it so that you can succeed no matter what your previous background was. The 4 modules in this course are Introduction, Fundamentals, Onboarding, and Deep Dives. So in the introduction, we're going to be covering the structure of our course as well as the key learning objectives that we're going after. Then in Module 2, we're going to be covering the fundamentals for product management. We'll discuss what the role of the product manager is, as well as break down what the career ladder looks like for product managers. We'll then dive into how do you work with business stakeholders? How do you work with customers? How do you work with designers and engineers? And how do you work with the product? Once we've established a strong foundation, we'll then move into the onboarding plan. So we're going to be equipping you with a 30, 60, 90-day plan for you to quickly ramp up on the job. In month 1, your focus is going to be on how to absorb information effectively, so that in month 2, you can execute against the mission that you've been tasked with. From there, in month 3, you're then going to step up and lead the team above and beyond the directives that you were given. Afterwards, we'll then discuss what comes after your first 90 days and how to set yourself up for success. Our final module is focused on skill-based deep dives. I've worked with hundreds of associate product managers, and a lot of topics come up over and over again. How do I effectively analyze data? How do I build empathy with stakeholders and get them to agree with what I'm doing? How do I deal with uncertainty? And how do I make sure that I've got enough information to move forward successfully? How do I write a product spec? What does it actually look like? And how do I deal with all of the different tasks that might be coming my way? We cover all of that and more in our skill deep dives, so that way, no matter what situation you're faced with at work, you're well equipped. Now we know what we're going to be covering in this course. But what exactly will we have learned by the end of it? Well, by the end of this course, you'll have mastered what are the expectations on the job for associate product managers. You'll have core foundational knowledge to succeed in your role, and you're also going to have key skills to stand out and exceed expectations against your competition. On top of that, you'll have knowledge about future situations that you might run into during your time as associate product manager. By being able to see around corners and know what's coming, you won't be caught off guard or surprised. You'll have a clear sense of what's headed your way. By achieving these learning objectives, you'll feel much more confident, comfortable, and secure on the job. And that empowers you to rise the ranks more quickly than the competition, which also enables you to provide a larger positive impact on your users, your teammates, and the business. I hope you're just as excited as I am to jump right in. Let's get started.